Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT test 2025 preparation. Quick revision part first. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which group in the periodic table contains the most reactive nonmetals? Option A, alkali metals. B, halogens. Option C, noble gases. And option D, transition metals. So the correct option is B, halogens. Explanation is halogens are highly reactive nonmetals due to their high electronegativity. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. A reaction in which heat is absorbed is called option A, exothermic, B, endothermic, C, combustion, and option D, neutralization. So the correct option is B, endothermic. Explanation is endothermic reactions absorb heat, for example, photosynthesis. Oxidation involves the dash. Option A, gain of electron. B, loss of electrons. C, gain of protons. And option D, loss of neutrons. So the correct option is B, loss of electrons. Oxidation is the process by which a substance loses one or more electrons. In electrochemical cells, oxidation occurs. Option A, anode. B, cathode. C, A and B. And option D, electrolyte. So the correct option is A, anode. The anode is where oxidation occurs, loss of electrons. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। The rate of the reaction depends on dash. Option A, temperature. B, concentration. C, catalyst. And option D, all of the above. So the correct option is D, all of the above. Reaction rates are influenced by temperature and catalysts. An alpha particle is the same as option A, helium nucleus. B, an electron. C, a proton. And option D, a neutron. So the correct option is A, helium nucleus. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Option A, iron. B, mercury. C, sodium. And option D, gold. So the correct option is B, mercury. The mercury is Hg, the only liquid metal at room temperature. Thank you for watching my videos.